Fix network and connection issues after installing 24H2 update. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. This will bypass the DHCP server by assigning a fixed IP directly to your device. Try if your system is having a problem obtaining a valid IP from the DHCP server. Click OK to apply the changes and restart your computer. If that didn't work, right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Outdated or incompatible network drivers can cause issues with IP assignment and connectivity. Updating them ensures your system can communicate with network protocols effectively.